हाय, दिस इज़ तुषार रमनन फ्रॉम 99 वर्कआउट सीज़न 2। जैसे हम हर एक एपिसोड में नए गेस्ट को इनवाइट करते हैं और उनको आपसे इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं, आज मैं मुंबई शहर में हूँ और एक ख़ास मेहमान को मैं आज लाने वाला हूँ। उनकी जर्नी स्टोरी शायद एपिसोड में अगर आप देखोगे तो एक मिनट रुकिए, शायद अच्छा रहेगा कि आप मुझे फॉलो करें और मैं उनसे पर्सनली मिलूं और उनकी ज़ुबानी सुनते हैं कि ये उनकी कहानी क्या है।
Hello,
Hi.
welcome, welcome.
थैंक यू सो मच। आज मैं मुंबई शहर में हूँ और ये हमारी बहुत अच्छी फ्रेंड है करुणा। इनके बारे में अभी 2 मिनट में आपको सब कुछ बताऊंगा। बहुत ही अद्भुत इनकी जर्नी है and I want to share a lot of things. Karuna, thank you very much. I met
My
you
pleasure, my pleasure.
after ages. We are in touch in social media and everything, keep on watching everything. But I'm meeting her personally after a long time and lockdown ke karan, like, we were not able to meet people.
Yeah.
So Karuna, I think you have to share a lot of journey. Your
Sure,
journey is so full of motivation.
Thank you.
And I'm glad you could feature in this particular
It's
episode.
my pleasure too.
Yeah. So we'll have a seat.
Please have a
Yeah.
seat. Sit.
आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे ये जो इतनी ट्रॉफीज पड़ी हैं, शायद जगह भी नहीं है अभी और इनको रखने के लिए। या करना प्लीज।
Yeah. Thank you.
God, this is so fantastic. The energy in this house is so beautiful, and I'm so fortunate. Like today, I'm meeting Karuna. Karuna has come to a different stage altogether when we talk about women empowerment and things like that. Karuna has taken a step in a different field altogether, like different stage altogether. So Karuna, आपकी journey जो है, of course it's a very interesting story. You took up a sport which is very unusual, I mean I can say for India at least, and you are a professional bodybuilder,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So Karuna, how did you land up in this? Where लोग औरतें वेट लॉस और बेसिक फिटनेस के लिए
Yeah,
करें,
yeah.
आप दूसरी लेवल पे कम्पिटिटिव लेवल पे आपने सोचा, लाइक हाउ डिड दिस हैपन?
I was always interested in sports from my childhood.
राइट।
But हमेशा ऐसा सोचती थी कि स्पोर्ट्स में कुछ करना है. But because I was from very middle class family, it was always used to be like सिर्फ हमको पढ़ाई करना है and job ढूंढना है. So that was the atmosphere at home. And my dad was very strict dad. Very orthodox also, so he never used to allow so many things like watching movies, going out in the night. It's absolutely no in my house, and wearing short skirts and sleeveless is like no, absolute no. He was very possessive and very strict dad. So ये सब करना, किसी sports में जाना है, ये बताना भी it was very difficult. But I used to always compete in my school and college sports में, जो भी करके आया है वो certificates उसी में है. Kho-kho, kabaddi, running. I was very good runner in school and college. But after my graduation, I went into just hunting for a job, what to do now. My passion is always some activity or some sport. So उससे related क्या है? So I just started applying in a gym area. Like I used to put my applications there for a trainer. And that time it was so easy, like if you have no work, you can become trainer. And they used to welcome so much lady trainer, तो बहुत अच्छा था. My first job is in Thane Thalwalkars. I got selected as a aerobics trainer. They gave me training for 3 months for aerobics, and then from there my journey started in 1996.
Oh wow.
And from there the more I started getting meeting people, I used to realize somewhere I have to grow more. How come somebody have to select you as a trainer? तो उसके लिए क्या करना चाहिए? So you have to have a very beautiful body. So journey started like that. And one fine day I worked in almost all the gyms, all the hotels in Mumbai. Went abroad in UK, worked on a cruise ship for 6 months. After coming back from there, it was a very good information I got from there, a lot of education from there. And after coming back to Mumbai, I decided that I have to open my own setup.
Okay.
So from that own setup से I used to think कि मैं लोगों को कैसे motivate करूँगी? Why somebody will come and take admission in my classes? So you have to become an idol for them. So one of my students, she bought the magazine, Oxygen magazine.
Okay.
You know that.
Yeah.
So that Oxygen magazine, the cover page of that Oxygen magazine was mother of six having six pack, and that was the turning point of my life. And my journey started to achieve that six pack, and I landed onto the stage of
Right.
bodybuilding. So that's how that, because of that magazine I met you in 2009. And over there also you gave me so much suggestion that Karuna, you have to do this, you have to do that. And that's how I started meeting more people. Then Kaizad Kapadia sir, he gave me a lot of information during those 2 years. He said, Karuna, from now, after 2 years you can come on the stage. That's how you have to work out and do diet.
Correct.
So initially we started with that, and my journey started from 2009, and 2011 I first competed in Hyderabad. And after that, Hyderabad, I was the best. I won the competition also. But first time when I went to Asian Championship and I saw the competitors there, it was shock of my life. I said, I'm not on the basic level also of this bodybuilding.
Right.
So after that competition, I started preparing for World. Though I got the 4th ranking on Asia, but when I went to World, I met even much better athletes over there. But my problem was that only, that where will I get the accurate, figure and everything, like
Right.
your grooming also.
Right.
So I started hunting people again for that, because Kaizad Kapadia sir said कि करुणा अभी मैं इधर तक ही तुमको help कर सकता हूँ. Now you search for some international person.
Right.
So I started training under Malika Johnson and Chris Yathin. So after their training, I was still not happy with the look which I wanted on stage. So finally I met my husband Rahul Karus, and I showed him the picture, my stage picture. I said, I want the big body like this first ranker. And then he said, I don't know about anything lady bodybuilding, but I know how to bring down the fat percentage of any person,
Right.
whether it's a female or male.
Right.
So initially when I started changing my body with Rahul's guidance and everything, I used to get a lot of negative comments and this and that, but same people after a few years, those are like my big fans right now.
Right.
Like initially they used to say why she wants to become like a man, why she's doing so much, why she's
Right.
torturing
Coming to that,
herself.
करुणा, मैं आपसे अगला सवाल मेरा वही था कि इंडिया में अभी तो सोशल मीडिया, एक तो सोशल मीडिया में आपको एक्सेप्टेंस, दूसरा फैमिली एक्सेप्टेंस, तीसरा एक प्रोफेशन जहाँ पे बहुत कम लोग हैं. आपने ये भी देखा होगा कि यूएस में जो सबसे बड़ा शो होता है वो भी 4-5 साल के लिए बंद हो चुका था क्योंकि विमेन बॉडी बिल्डिंग वॉज नॉट हैपनिंग बिकॉज देयर वाज नो क्राउड. तो हाउ डिड यू कीप योरसेल्फ मोटिवेटेड कि नहीं मुझे ये करना है? आपने सोशली ऑल्सो फाइट किया होगा, फैमिली में भी आपने किया होगा क्योंकि एक स्ट्रक्चर चेंज करना आपको एंड मेंस वर्ल्ड में उतरना, तो या बाहर में जाते होंगे आप इतने मस्कुलर हो, तो ये आप कैसे, आपकी कुछ इंसिडेंट्स हैं ऐसे जहाँ पे आपको लगा हो कि नहीं मुझे ये फाइट करना है मुझे?
Of course, it was very uncomfortable, because after certain while your voice also changes.
Right.
I was not having this thick voice
Right.
before, but accepting that all these changes for yourself is very big thing.
Right.
And then fighting with others.
Right.
So I first started accepting myself.
Right.
Okay, nahin, this is what it's gonna take and I have to go ahead. So मेरे acceptance के बाद लोगों के comments को normally लेना बहुत easy हो गया मुझे.
Right.
Otherwise, I used to initially feel, oh my God, why I'm doing this, why I'm doing that, So to take all those negative comments is very difficult. But after a while, when people also started observing that this girl is really hardworking and she's really is up to something, then their mindset also changed. and it was big relief for me. But initially people used to, you know, boys also started comparing
Right.
themselves with me,
Right.
and it was very bad, you know.
So
After
Karuna,
a
tell
while
me
it was
something.
better.
Now that there are so many categories, like bikini हुआ, fitness हुआ, physique हुआ. Physique is a new category which has come. They wanted to
Which I
introduce
compete in.
something new and more ripped kind of thing. So ये नए category ताकि थोड़े नए energy आए, लोग आए वापस देखने के लिए and accept करे. So do you think women bodybuilding is getting popular now in India? कि it is still in the nascent stage?
Which when I have started, it was like absolute zero.
Right.
But now I see from North and from West Bengal, there were so many girls and they are so much better. Like
Right.
बहुत अच्छा competition अभी इंडिया में भी है,
Right.
and girls are really taking it seriously.
Right.
Otherwise initially कुछ नहीं है तो आके स्टेज पे खड़े हो जाओ. It was like that. So अभी बहुत फर्क पड़ा
Right.
है.
Karuna, generally क्या होता है कि there's a myth that women should not be doing weight training, and when you come as a personal trainer, you're so worked out, you're a competitive bodybuilder. आपके clients, women clients वगैरह नहीं बोलती कि नहीं मुझे ऐसा नहीं बनना है, ऐसा होता है?
Every time, you know, people who are from very well educated background family, they also, like, there are many male clients of mine, they are like very good promoter for me,
Right.
but their wife will tell, or their any of the female friend will tell, oh but तुम्हारी ट्रेनर के जैसी बॉडी नहीं बनानी है.
Right.
He's saying उसकी बॉडी कंपटीशन के लिए है,
Right.
but तुम्हारी बेसिक बॉडी तो बना ही देगी. That was his answer.
Right.
So ऐसे बहुत सारे, like everybody judge me through my body, कि उनको लगता है कि मेरे साथ ट्रेनिंग करने के बाद उनकी बॉडी भी वैसे ही बनेगी, but it's altogether different game.
Right.
So मेरी
So-
basic body बनाना
Right.
is like
Yeah.
easy.
So Karuna, now as you see, like we have gone through this pandemic, and 2 years there was no competitions happening, and trainers, how fitness industry has been badly affected. So do you call yourself as a retired athlete, or is there a comeback?
I'm absolutely not done yet.
Okay.
So everything is going on, and you will see me soon on stage. But pandemic really, whatever, it was a big setback for many people,
Right.
but it's not absolutely bad situation.
Right.
Yeah, people will start again back to normal, but my fitness journey is not done yet.
Right.
You will see me soon.
So for a person like you who is competing, how important is it to have a spouse or a boyfriend or any like a friend
Partner.
circle who understand, like the diet, the kind of diet you have to follow, the kind of training you have to follow? So a partner, how important it is? Because आपके mood swings होते हैं ये सब. So how important it is that the person should understand?
I'm very lucky in that manner. My husband is more passionate than me
Right.
for bodybuilding, so he will provide whatever it takes for my bodybuilding. He provides everything, he understands everything. But one lucky thing for me, I was very arrogant, you can say, very short tempered, you can say, before bodybuilding.
Okay.
But after bodybuilding, I became like a saint. Like I let go things and I be calm always.
Okay.
I don't know how it changed,
Right.
but it changed for me.
Okay.
Many athletes tell me कि करुणा बहुत mood swing होते हैं, but I never experienced that.
Okay.
And I'm very lucky to have my partner who is so much into bodybuilding.
Right. So you're watching 99 Workouts Season 2 with Karuna. आपने सुना करुणा एक मैगजीन कवर में उन्होंने एक फीमेल बॉडी बिल्डर को देखा कुछ एक 15-20 साल पहले, और वहाँ से वो इंस्पायर हुई और फिर उन्होंने कम्पिटिटिव स्पोर्ट में अपनी एंट्री की, लाइक वो भी इंडिया से, जो एक वेरी फ्यू विमेन बॉडी बिल्डर्स हु इंडिया हैज हैड and was gone in international level.
I'm the first Indian woman
Yeah,
who
you're the
achieved
first.
amateur Olympia medal.
Right, of course.
And I'm the first female athlete who achieved bronze medal in Asian Championship.
Wow, I mean that is for sure to be added. So Karuna, one last question to you is, as a part of women empowerment, we see so many trophies here. I'm sure going to be millions going to be added also. So what is your message for women who are just thinking about weight loss and कि कल से स्टार्ट करेंगे करके, सो उनके लिए क्या मैसेज है आपको?
There is no tomorrow. You have to start it today. And your health has to be a priority.
Right.
Like in life, everything is a priority. Like your work is a priority, your family is a priority. But in all these things, you have to keep your health on the top.
Right.
Prioritize your health, then everything become easy.
Right.
You have to, and that is very important to run your normal life.
Right.
To have fit body.
Right.
So that is my message to all the ladies, and male and female both. Prioritize your health so everything becomes better.
Thank you so much. That was Karuna on 99 Workout Season 2. Special guest, of course, she summed it up very well. Please keep on watching 99 Workouts because the next guest is going to be equally special. Thank you and see you.